In today's video, we're going to take a closer look at the 2025 Chevrolet C10 Pickup. This modern revival of the iconic Chevrolet C10 blends classic truck charm with cutting-edge technology and performance. Whether you're a collector, a truck enthusiast, or someone looking for a reliable workhorse, this review will cover everything you need to know about the 2025 model, from its interior and exterior to its performance and pricing. Let's start with the exterior. The 2025 Chevrolet C10 Pickup stays true to its roots, retaining the timeless boxy design that made the C10 such an icon. The front grille is unmistakably retro, with a bold, wide chrome bar that screams classic Chevrolet. The round headlights have been updated with LED technology, giving it a modern twist while still holding on to that vintage look. The body lines are sharp and angular, providing a rugged and muscular stance. The truck's bed is a classic step-side design, offering that vintage appeal, but it's equipped with modern features like an integrated step for easy access and a durable spray-in bed liner for added practicality. The truck's exterior comes in a variety of colors, including some bold choices like a deep matte black, bright red, and a beautiful metallic blue that gives it a sleek, polished finish. The 2025 model also features modern touches like updated side mirrors, larger, more aggressive wheels, and even a new set of upgraded bumpers that provide better protection while maintaining that vintage appeal. Moving on to the interior, Chevrolet has blended retro charm with contemporary comfort. When you step inside, you'll be greeted with a spacious, driver-fingered cockpit. The dashboard is a mix of classic C10 elements, like the wide horizontally oriented layout, and modern materials like leather and high-quality plastics. The 2025 C10 still retains a bit of the old-school feel, with a simple, clean design that's both functional and stylish. The seats are upholstered in a combination of premium leather and durable fabric, designed to provide comfort on long drives while also being easy to clean. The front seats are adjustable, and the driver's seat comes with power adjustment features, ensuring a customizable driving experience. Our adjustable design of the boat is making us easy to move and flow through the seas, ensuring a comfortable driving experience. The cabin feels incredibly spacious with ample room, and the receivable is palatable. The centerpiece of the dashboard is the large touchscreen infotainment system that runs Chevrolet's latest software. This system offers full smartphone integration with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, allowing you to connect your device seamlessly. You can access navigation, music, and other apps directly from the screen, all with state-of-the-art tech. Below the screen, you'll find the physical climate control knobs, which add a sense of familiarity while still being easy to use while driving. There's also a premium sound system available in higher trims, offering excellent audio quality for those who love to listen to their favorite music while on the road. For tech enthusiasts, there's an available heads-up display which projects important information directly onto the windshield so you can keep your eyes on the road. Now let's talk performance. The 2025 Chevrolet C10 is equipped with a powerful, modern engine lineup that delivers both impressive power and efficiency. The base model comes with a 4.3-liter V6 engine that delivers a respectable 285 horsepower, perfect for daily driving and light hauling. For those looking for more power, there's an optional 5.3-liter V8 that pushes out 355 horsepower, providing an exhilarating driving experience while still maintaining great towing capacity. For the ultimate performance, there's an available 6.2-liter V8 engine in the higher trims, producing 420 horsepower. This engine makes the C10 feel incredibly powerful, offering a smooth and strong acceleration. Whether you're driving through the city or towing heavy loads, this engine provides a blend of performance and practicality. The 2025 C10 is also equipped with a 10-speed automatic transmission that offers smooth shifts and improved fuel efficiency. Additionally, it comes with an optional four-wheel drive system, giving it great off-road capability for those who need it. When it comes to towing capacity, the 2025 Chevrolet C10 Pickup is built to handle heavy loads. With the 5.3-liter V8 engine, it can tow up to 9,500 pounds, making it perfect for hauling trailers, boats, or anything else you need to transport. Even with the 4.3-liter V6, it still offers a solid towing capacity of 7,000 pounds, making it a versatile option for both work and recreation. The ride quality in the 2025 C10 is also worth noting. Thanks to its upgraded suspension system, the truck feels smooth and controlled whether you're cruising down the highway or navigating rougher terrain. The handling is impressive for a pickup, with responsive steering and minimal body roll, making it easy to drive even in tight spaces. As for safety, the 2025 Chevrolet C10 is packed with advanced driver assistance features. Standard equipment includes forward collision warning, automatic emergency braking, lane keeping assist, and a rear-view camera. Higher trims also come with options like adaptive cruise control and parking sensors, making it a great choice for those who prioritize safety. When it comes to pricing, the 2025 Chevrolet C10 Pickup is positioned as a premium truck with a range of trim options. The base model starts at around $40,000, which is competitive for a full-size pickup with such advanced features. The higher trims like the LTZ and High Country can push the price upwards of $55,000, especially when you opt for the more powerful engine or additional features like a premium sound system and advanced safety tech. If you're looking for a limited edition version, you might see prices reaching closer to $60,000, especially if you choose the higher-end option. In conclusion, the 2025 Chevrolet C10 Pickup is a stunning blend of classic design and modern performance. Whether you're drawn to its nostalgic looks or its impressive performance capabilities, it's a truck that caters to a wide range of drivers. With its powerful engine options, luxurious interior, and cutting-edge technology, the 2025 C10 stands out in a competitive market. It's a truck that respects its roots while pushing the boundaries of what's possible in the modern pickup world.